Hi, kindergartners. Here we go with Sonday lesson 140. Boy, are we getting up there, aren't we? Today we're going to start with reading words because you should know how to read these words that we've been practicing for 2 weeks. So we are going to get started. Here we go. Oh, I always forget to click. All right, we have p-a-n, pan, b-at, bat, am, v-a-n, van. Now we're going to speed it up a little bit. Oops, I went backwards. Pat, Sam. Do you remember why this one has a capital letter? Because it's a proper noun and it's somebody's name. Man, Pam. Another capital letter because it's somebody's name. Can, fad, ham, mad, sat, hat, had, jam, bad, ran, cat, bat. All right, now, my friends, we are going to do something that the big kids do. The first graders do it, the second graders do it, and it's our very first one in kindergarten. It's super exciting. It's called a mastery check. And a mastery check just means, have you been keeping up with Sonday, and are you able to now spell some words? So this is what I want you to do. I want you to get a piece of paper and I want you to label it numbers, other side, numbers 1, 2, 3, all the way down to 10. Do you see what I put at the top here? Not yet. There we go. I put my name because I think people are starting to forget how to put their name on papers since we're all at school or we're all at home doing school. So I have my name on my paper and I have my paper labeled numbers 1 all the way to 10. I'll give you a second to get that done. If you need a little more than a second, you can pause me and you can finish writing your numbers all the way to 10. What we're going to do is Miss Klein is going to read you a word and I want you to spell it on your paper. I'm going to tell you, this is number 1 and I want you to write it next to the number 1. Now, usually Miss Klein and Miss Volp show you our paper too to see if you got it right. But since this is a mastery check, I want you to do it all by yourself, and then you're going to send your teacher a picture at the very end so we can check your work. So, are you ready? Number 1, I want you to write the word sad. Write the word sad. Number 2, I want you to write the word pan. Pan. And remember, if Miss Volp or Miss Klein is ever going too fast in our videos, you can always pause and take your time. Number 3, I want you to write the word bat. Bat. Number 4, I want you to write the word am. Am. Number 5, I want you to write the word ham. Ham. Number 6, I want you to write the word mad. Mad. Number 7, I want you to write the word ran. Ran. Number 8, I want you to write the word jam. Jam. Number 9, I want you to write the word had. Had. And the last one, number 10, I want you to write the word fan. Fan. Alrighty, my friends, you should have 10 words written on your paper. Now what I want you to do is I want you to snap a picture of it and I want you to send it to your teacher so we can see what amazing spellers you are by now. This is super exciting that we had our first mastery check in kindergarten. I can't wait to have more so you can show us how smart you are. Super duper fun. Now, your worksheet for today looks like this. At the top, you're going to start with the letter K and you're going to finish writing through the alphabet. And we are writing with uppercase or capital letters. So after K comes L, M, N, and I want you to keep going. Now down at the bottom, it says match the upper and lowercase words with a line. This word says lab, so they drew a line to the capital word that says lab. This word says gab, so they're going to draw a line. You're going to draw a line all the way to the lowercase one. And do you see how they left one blank? That's because they want you to write the capital letters for it this time. So see if you can get that done as well. And I hope you have a wonderful, fabulous Friday. Bye.